We are not your average family. My name is Rachel. You know me as Yoga Girl. This is my husband, Dennis, and this little ray of sunshine is our baby girl, Lea Luna. We live in the Caribbean island of Aruba. Welcome to our channel.
Any flour you have at the house will do. We have oat flour. You can make your own oat flour by just mixing or blending rolled oats in blender. All-purpose flour, wheat flour, spelt flour, anything you have. I tried this with coconut flour once. That did not work out. So far, that's the only flour that I've tried that didn't work. So today we're gonna use oat, 1 cup. All right, we're gonna use about a tablespoon of baking powder, maybe a little less, like 3/4 of a tablespoon. And half a teaspoon of salt. Confession, I normally don't make this with perfect measurements. I just throw shit in there. But for the sake of this video, so you guys can copy this recipe, I'm using measurements. And we're gonna hope it works out. We're gonna add a cup of non-dairy milk, can be any kind. We happen to have soy at home, soy light, which I would normally never buy. I don't know why we have that. Any kind of non-dairy milk, a whole cup. And then 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. The vinegar just really helps to cut through some of the density of the oat flour. And it makes the pancakes really fluffy, but this is just a little trick that I've used. So about a tablespoon, maybe a little less. And a teaspoon of vanilla. If you want, that's just for flavor. Stir that together. And we're gonna add some chia seeds in here. Let's do half a tablespoon of chia seeds. Oh. You wanna put it in Papa's hair so Mommy can make some pancakes? Milk pack. More milk, please. Okay, so a fairly big thing of coconut oil. CIDER? The first pancakes always turn out really weird. So this was our pancake recipe. Hope you liked it. Let me know in the comment section if it worked out well for you. There's lots more recipes on our channel, so don't forget to subscribe for more.